Hey, what's up guys? Are you looking for a two-story home with over 2,000 plus square feet here in the southwest side of Las Vegas? Well, in this video, we are touring Southwind, which is Century Community's newest community, and we're going to be touring specifically the Plan 2308, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you like looking at new home build tours, or if you plan on moving to Las Vegas, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, guys, so today is May 28th, and we're over here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. We're gonna be touring a Century community called Southwind. Now, Southwind hasn't officially opened up. The grand opening is gonna be in 3 days, which is gonna be June 1st. I'm gonna show you guys around. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. Okay, so this community offers 3 different floor plans. They're all 2-story floor plans ranging from about 2,000 square feet all the way up to 2,605 square feet. Okay, now the base prices are going to range from about $476 all the way up to $507,990. Now this community, they're just building spec homes here, so that means buyers can't pick out their options. With spec homes, that means they pick out all the options. They already start construction, and they're going to be selling like quick moving homes. So that way, if a buyer wants to get into a house, all they have to do is wait about maybe like 2 or 3 months, okay? But out the door, the prices are gonna be they're gonna range from like the low to the high 500s, okay? Out the door. So, but yeah, a couple things about the community, guys. They're gonna have 148 homes here. The HOA is actually, you're gonna get charged $207 a quarter, which is gonna equate to about $69 per month. Okay, the average lot square feet is gonna be about 4,000. Because it's like normally 100 feet deep, 40 feet wide. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, let's get started with this tour. All right, welcome to the Plan 2308. Now this is 2308 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price as of today is $491,990. Guys, again, these are they're just building spec homes out here, so that's the base price. But out the door, their spec homes are going to be around like I would say like the 530 to 560 range, okay, out the door. So yeah, let's take a look. All right. So welcome in. Okay, so as soon as we walk in, you'll notice that there's like 9-foot ceilings. Okay, that's standard, and you're gonna have your stairs that go up to the 2nd floor. Okay, so you'll have this nice long hallway that'll go straight to the living room. Right, so powder room's gonna be right here. So this is gonna be the guest bathroom. Okay, so you got your pedestal sink, your toilet. Okay, you got this nice accent wall right here. Right here, you also have your coat closet. Okay, but it is locked right now. And then this is your main living area. So welcome to the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. Okay, very spacious, flows very nice right here. Okay. Now, one of the upgrades that you're looking at right now is the flooring. So for their spec homes, what they're gonna do is they're gonna upgrade the flooring. But yeah, the standard flooring is you're gonna have 13 by 13 ceramic tile, like in the wet areas, and carpet all throughout. But they're not doing that for any of the quick moving homes. They're gonna be upgrading the flooring. So you're gonna have something similar to this. Okay, I'm sure they're going to remove all the carpet from the first floor, unless there's a bedroom down there. Now this is the electric fireplace, which is getting more and more popular. So I believe moving forward, I know for their first few spec homes, they didn't add too many of these, but I believe they may be adding more of those for the future quick move-ins. Okay, so again, very open, right? We got the optional cabinets, optional like 42-inch cabinets, countertop as well. Okay. And you have the Whirlpool appliance package. As far as the appliances go, I know right now they're doing special. For their first few homes to sell in this community, they're adding the refrigerator, washer, and dryer. But normally those are not included. Okay, so normally what is included is you'll have like your Whirlpool oven, stovetop, microwave, and dishwasher. Okay, they got the optional backsplash here. Yeah, so it's a pretty open, feels very spacious in here. Okay. Here, we'll check out the backyard. The average lot square footage is going to be 4,000. Okay, it's going to be 100 by 40 feet wide. But when you move in, your backyard is going to be completely dirt, and then you have about a year to build it, to landscape it, according to the HOA. So let's take a look over here. So you're gonna have your door to your garage. Okay. It looks like you'll have your pantry in here. It's a nice little walk-in pantry. And then this is gonna be your little mud room right here. So this is what you can see. Okay, so we got the optional stair rail. I believe they're gonna be upgrading most of the stair rails moving forward as well. So nice large loft. If you're looking for a large loft, well, you'll like this. So the way it's set up is you're gonna have like your bedrooms right over there. You'll have your full bath, laundry room, and your primary bedroom. Okay, and right in the middle, you're gonna have your nice, cozy loft. It's also 8-foot ceilings on this second floor too. Now guys, if you are interested in previewing a new build community, do me a favor, guys. Make sure you give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit. Now, if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Let them know that you're interested in previewing the new build community. You just want to make sure they're with you on your very first visit, because if you go by yourself, and once you go by yourself, the builder agent's going to ask for your information, which is your name, phone number, email. Once you give that to them, they won't let you have representation down the road. You definitely want representation, because the new build agents look after the builder's best interests. So, very, very important, guys. Get yourself some representation. So this is the second guest bedroom. Okay. Okay, so both bedrooms have their own walk-in closet, which is great. Okay, now I'm assuming for all the spec homes moving forward, they're gonna have a pre-wired a ceiling fan in all the rooms, just as you see right there. Okay, so you got your dual sinks, your full bath. Okay, shower tub combo, fiberglass. All right, so right here, you're gonna have your laundry room. Okay, so what you're seeing right here, these options, they are optional. I'm not too sure if they're going to build them in the spec homes, but okay. You got your smart panel box right here. Now this is where you would set up your internet router and your modem. Okay, you're also gonna have your attic access up there. Your transfer grills are right here. Now the transfer grills is just a way to regulate airflow between the rooms. So that way, if it's like windy, the doors won't shut. So you have your linen closet. Okay. As you can tell, normally the primary bedrooms don't have the transfer grills. They have the jumper ducts. Okay, so air would go through there and come out through right over here. That's better compared to the transfer grills because it's, you know, more privacy. Sound won't travel as easy as it does for those other rooms. Okay, so very spacious primary bedroom. So let's take a look. So this is the view from over in this area. We are all the way in the southwest corner of Las Vegas. So like next to this community, literally backs into like, you know, like the hills out here. All right, so we're here at the primary bath. So you got the dual sinks. Okay, you got your nice toilet room right here. Walk-in shower. Oh, and a really good sized walk-in closet. Yeah, there's plenty of space in here. All right, everyone, that was the plan 2308. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, if you're curious to know what the incentives are, or if you need help with this home buying process, guys, give me a call, shoot me a text. My info is going to be in the description below. Until then, I'll catch you guys next video.